Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use video wallpaper on cover screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply at first open your settings, scroll down, press on cover screen, click on add option and showing it to gallery. Just press on and select your video from your gallery. Like I'm select this video, press on done. Okay, so you need to just trim this video. Okay, just resize, press on done, and press on. If you want to add any widget, click on to add widget, press on done. Okay, now I'm checking. So look at now successfully add video wallpaper.